Hi guys, my name's Annie. I hope you all have a great day so far. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm doing DIY sewing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to see new video every third day. In video today, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a blouse for me, myself of course. It's gonna be a simple blouse that you can easy to make. I'm trying to make a crop top with puffy sleeve, button line at the front, and it just had V-neckline with a collar. I will show you step by step to sew it, very slowly that you can follow. It's really simple and easy to make, and also very versatile to mix match with any bottom. Okay, let's get started. I've got three fabric here. I got lace fabric in black from main fabric. It's a kind of sheer fabric you can see through, but it's really nice, right? That's the reason why I need a cotton fabric in the same color black. I'm using it for the lining on the front side and back side. And to make in the collar, I'm just using cotton eyelet fabric in the contrasting color that I got from the previous project. For the pattern, I just start from the normal shirt. The length of blouse will be 42 cm. I got a V-neck line, then I'll down 21 cm from the shoulder. From the center line, go out 3 cm to make in the button line. And I just take front side with no button line and up 1.5 cm from the shoulder. Then I got the back side. From the armhole of front and back side, I made the sleeve. Now, I divide it into 5 pieces and paste them into another paper with a distance of 3.5 cm. And I got a new bigger sleeve. Alright, let's cut our fabric. The fabric got the bottom like this, and I'm using it for the bottom of blouse and the end of the sleeve. And now, I just cut along the shape of it. When cutting the lining, just doing the same, but have a note the button line. Before sewing, I press a thin interfacing on the edge of fabric to make sure the fabric is not stretchy when sewing or overlooking. Now, I'm starting to overlocking the raw fabric and connect front and back side together at the shoulder and both sides by my sewing machine. For the lining part, just doing the same. At the bottom of lining part, I just overlocked by my serger and now fold it to the wrong side and hem it. Moving on to the collar, I'm going to apply the collar pattern on the neckline to make sure they are fit together. Okay, let's cut our fabric. I'm using the leftover fabric. It's not enough for the whole collar panel. Then I'll cut two of a half of collar and connect them together in one. I got two panels with main collar and subsidiary collar like this. Now I'm gonna connect them together around, except the matching position with the neckline. Then trim the fabric at the pointed corner, turn the right side out and press it flat and nice. Now it's time to pin the collar between the main blouse and lining part and stitching them together by my sewing machine. Next, I'm gonna cut the excess fabric and flip the lining part out. Then I'm going to understitch on the lining part and the collar right beside the seam. Alright, I got the collar part like this. Now I'm gonna stitch the main fabric and lining at the armhole together to keep them in place. Okay, now moving on to the sleeves. I will gather fabric at the top of the sleeve by sewing machine. I'm using a tool to help me press fabric while sewing. Then I'm going to connect the sides together by sewing machine and overlocking by my serger. Next step, I'm gonna pin the sleeve into the armhole and stitching them together, then overlocking. For the button line, at the left side, I just fold the fabric to the wrong side and stitch it. On the right side, I prepare a basic with 4 cm and press an interfacing on. Now, I'm gonna plait this small panel and blouse right side together and stitch it. Then, I just stick the top and turn the right side out. Now, I just put the lining fabric between and stitch it around. Okay, the blouse is almost done. I just hand stitching the button on to finish. And here's the final look. It's super cute and pretty on me, and it's really comfortable to wear in this summer. I'm happy with it. Hope you like this blouse idea and my tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell to see my new video every Thursday. See you next week. Bye!